Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add new Fitbit device to Fitbit account. So to get started with that, so the first thing to do is to open the Fitbit app, which is step one. So launch the Fitbit app on your smartphone, iOS on Android, then log in with your existing Fitbit account with your credentials. Then on the step two, you have to go to your profile. So tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then on step three, you have to set up a device. So scroll down and tap set up a device. Then select the Fitbit model you are adding. For example, you can use the Charge 6, Inspired, or Universal. Then on step 5, you have to follow the on-screen instructions. So turn on the Bluetooth if prompted. Then follow the setup steps, including the pairing the device and entering the code shown on the Fitbit screen if applicable. Then on the step 6, you have to sync and customize. So after pairing your device, the device will sync automatically, and you can now set goals and enable notification and adjust the preference. And that's how you can simply add new Fitbit device to Fitbit account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.